Do you know what ginger tea is and why it is so good for you? If not, then you are in for a treat. Ginger tea is a warm, zesty drink that can help you with many health issues, from nausea to inflammation. It is also very easy to make at home, with just a piece of fresh ginger and boiling water. In this video, I will tell you 10 amazing benefits of ginger tea that you may not know. By the end of this video, you will be convinced that ginger tea is a must-have in your daily routine. So, without further ado, let's get started. Benefit number 1, ginger tea can help you with nausea and vomiting. This is one of the most well-known and proven benefits of ginger tea. Whether you are feeling sick from motion sickness, morning sickness, chemotherapy, or surgery, ginger tea can help you calm your stomach and prevent vomiting. Ginger tea works by blocking a brain receptor that triggers nausea and vomiting. It also stimulates the production of saliva and digestive juices, which can ease stomach discomfort. Ginger tea is especially helpful for pregnant women who suffer from morning sickness. One study found that ginger tea was as effective as vitamin B6 in reducing nausea and vomiting in pregnant women. So, if you are feeling queasy, try sipping some ginger tea and see how it helps you. Benefit number 2, ginger tea can relieve pain and inflammation. Ginger tea is a natural painkiller and anti-inflammatory agent. It can help you with various types of pain, such as headaches, menstrual cramps, muscle soreness, and arthritis. Ginger tea works by inhibiting the production of prostaglandins, which are chemicals that cause inflammation and pain in the body. Ginger tea also contains antioxidants, which can protect your cells from damage and reduce oxidative stress. One study found that ginger tea reduced pain and stiffness in people with osteoarthritis of the knee. Another study found that ginger tea reduced menstrual pain as effectively as ibuprofen. So, if you are suffering from any kind of pain or inflammation, try drinking some ginger tea and see how it soothes you. Benefit number 3, ginger tea can lower blood pressure and support heart health. Ginger tea is a heart-friendly drink that can help you lower your blood pressure and cholesterol levels. Ginger tea works by relaxing the blood vessels and improving blood circulation. It also prevents the formation of blood clots, which can cause heart attacks and strokes. Ginger tea can also lower your LDL, bad, cholesterol and triglycerides, and raise your HDL, good, cholesterol. One study found that ginger tea lowered blood pressure and improved blood lipid profile in people with hypertension and high cholesterol. Another study found that ginger tea reduced the risk of coronary heart disease and stroke in people with type 2 diabetes. So, if you want to keep your heart healthy and strong, try drinking some ginger tea and see how it benefits you. Benefit number 4, ginger tea can help you manage your weight and blood sugar levels. Ginger tea is a low-calorie drink that can help you feel full and reduce your appetite. It can also boost your metabolism and increase your energy expenditure. Ginger tea can also help you regulate your blood sugar levels and prevent spikes and crashes. Ginger tea works by improving insulin sensitivity and glucose uptake in your cells. It also inhibits enzymes that break down carbohydrates and fats. One study found that ginger tea improved weight loss and blood sugar control in people with obesity and type 2 diabetes. Another study found that ginger tea reduced fasting blood sugar and hemoglobin A1C, a marker of long-term blood sugar control, in people with prediabetes. So, if you want to lose weight and keep your blood sugar levels stable, try drinking some ginger tea and see how it helps you. Benefit number 5, ginger tea can fight infections and boost your immunity. Ginger tea is a natural antibiotic and antiviral agent that can help you fight off infections and diseases. Ginger tea works by stimulating your immune system and activating your white blood cells. It also inhibits the growth and spread of harmful bacteria, viruses, and fungi. Ginger tea can also help you relieve symptoms of common colds and flu, such as sore throat, cough, congestion, and fever. One study found that ginger tea enhanced the immune response and reduced the severity of respiratory infections in mice. Another study found that ginger tea reduced the duration and intensity of cold symptoms in humans. So, if you want to stay healthy and strong, try drinking some ginger tea and see how it protects you. Benefit number 6, ginger tea can have anti-cancer and anti-tumor effects. Ginger tea is a potent source of antioxidants and phytochemicals that can help you prevent and fight cancer. Ginger tea works by inducing apoptosis, cell death, and autophagy, cell recycling, in cancer cells. It also prevents angiogenesis, blood vessel formation, and metastasis, cancer spread, in tumors. Ginger tea can also enhance the effectiveness of chemotherapy and radiation therapy. One study found that ginger tea suppressed the growth and invasion of ovarian cancer cells. Another study found that ginger tea inhibited the development and progression of colorectal cancer in rats. So, if you want to reduce your risk of cancer and support your treatment, try drinking some ginger tea and see how it benefits you. Benefit number 7. Ginger tea can protect your brain and improve your cognitive function. Ginger tea is a brain-friendly drink that can help you prevent and treat neurodegenerative diseases, such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Ginger tea works by reducing oxidative stress and inflammation in your brain. It also modulates neurotransmitters and neurotrophic factors that are essential for brain health and function. Ginger tea can also improve your memory, attention, learning, and mood. One study found that ginger tea improved cognitive performance and mood in healthy adults. Another study found that ginger tea improved memory and attention in elderly people with mild cognitive impairment. So, if you want to keep your brain sharp and happy, try drinking some ginger tea and see how it improves you. Benefit number 8. Ginger tea can soothe your digestive system and prevent ulcers. Ginger tea is a digestive aid that can help you with various gastrointestinal issues, such as indigestion, bloating, gas, constipation, and diarrhea. Ginger tea works by stimulating the secretion of digestive enzymes and bile, which can facilitate the breakdown and absorption of food. It also relaxes the smooth muscles of your intestines, which can ease cramps and spasms. Ginger tea can also prevent ulcers, which are painful sores in your stomach or duodenum. Ginger tea works by inhibiting the growth of Helicobacter pylori, a bacterium that causes ulcers. It also protects the mucosal lining of your stomach and duodenum from damage. One study found that ginger tea prevented ulcer formation and accelerated ulcer healing in rats. Another study found that ginger tea eradicated H. pylori infection in humans. So, if you want to improve your digestion and prevent ulcers, try drinking some ginger tea and see how it heals you. Benefit number 9. Ginger tea can relieve stress and anxiety. Ginger tea is a calming drink that can help you cope with stress and anxiety. Ginger tea works by modulating the activity of your hypothalamic pituitary adrenal, HPA, axis, which is the main system that controls your stress response. It also regulates the levels of cortisol, adrenaline, and noradrenaline, which are hormones that are involved in stress and anxiety. Ginger tea can also increase the levels of serotonin, dopamine, and gamma-aminobutyric acid, GABA, which are neurotransmitters that are involved in mood and relaxation. One study found that ginger tea reduced stress and anxiety in rats. Another study found that ginger tea improved mood and well-being in humans. So, if you want to relax and unwind, try drinking some ginger tea and see how it soothes you. Benefit number 10. Ginger tea can enhance your skin and hair health. Ginger tea is a beauty drink that can help you improve your skin and hair health. Ginger tea works by providing antioxidants, vitamins, minerals, and amino acids that are essential for your skin and hair. It also improves blood circulation and oxygen delivery to your skin and hair follicles, which can promote their growth and repair. Ginger tea can also prevent and treat various skin and hair problems, such as acne, eczema, psoriasis, dandruff, and hair loss. One study found that ginger tea improved skin hydration, elasticity, and texture in women. Another study found that ginger tea stimulated hair growth and prevented hair loss in mice. So, if you want to look good and feel good, try drinking some ginger tea and see how it beautifies you. These are the 10 amazing benefits of ginger tea that I wanted to share with you. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more health and wellness tips. Also, let me know in the comments below if you have tried ginger tea and what benefits you have experienced.